Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable OneDrive integration on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you don't want OneDrive to be integrated into, say, File Explorer and the camera roll, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match, you come back to registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the location where the file is being stored. And now we're ready to begin. So start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies. And same thing for Microsoft. And now you want to locate a Windows folder, so double click on that. And then finally, there should be a Sky Drive folder. If you don't see one in here, you're going to have to create it. So just right click on the Windows folder, select New, and then select Key. Name this key Sky Drive, exactly how you see it on my screen. Just click out of it. So if you need to take note of our file path, each backslash is a different subfolder that we've been under up to this point. So you can take note of that at the top of the screen here if you need to pause the video. And now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area. So now that we're underneath SkyDrive, we just created this value. You might not have had to create it if it was already under here, by the way. But on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value disable file sync, exactly how you see it on my screen here. So again, disable file sync, and then you want to click out of it to save the name of it. Double click on it. Set the value data to 1 to disable the OneDrive integration, and then select OK. And now you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.